Hi everyone, this is Felisa with Homebody. I'm super excited about this video because this is our spring DIY hosted by Creative Glam and co-hosted by myself. If you are not familiar with Sharon's channel, I'm going to leave the link to her channel below, as well as the other participants in the playlist. Now Sharon does glam DIYs, shop with me's, hauls, and many other things on her channel. Now what I'm showcasing you here is the different ways that you can use the item that I'm going to be doing in my DIY. Now I was inspired by someone, and I will be sharing with you the person that inspired me to create my DIY later on in the video. Now, if you're over visiting me from any of the other channels, welcome to Homebody, and I hope that you see fit to subscribe to Homebody before you leave, being sure that you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I created these versatile DIY pieces, just keep watching, you guys. Okay, you guys, let's get started on the DIY. So I was inspired by Helen over at Beauty Meets DIY. She did a beautiful DIY with a tray using some florals made from spoons and pearls, and I thought they were so cute. So she inspired me to make some floral napkin rings using spoons and Totally Dazzled napkin rings. Now, I also could have made some bunny napkin rings, but I like the floral napkin rings so much better. I'm going to leave the link to Helen's channel below because I would love for you guys to go check her out. I also invited her to take part in the collab. Hopefully she does, you guys. You guys are going to love her if you don't already do. So anyway, I'm using spoons and I'm using the Totally Dazzled diamond napkin ring. The napkin ring was $1.50, and I didn't purchase. I was gifted 4 of these napkin rings by Totally Dazzled, and the spoons were 99 cents. So if you were to purchase these napkin rings and the spoons, it will be $7. So $7, you guys. So if I had spent $7, I would have $13 to play around with more in this particular collaboration because we can't go over $20. So basically I am hot gluing the spoons to the back of the napkin, and I'm going to repeat that process 5 times. Now I'm showing you that you can have some bunny ear napkin rings, you guys, but I'm going to go ahead and create my floral napkin rings. So basically I'm pretty much done with the floral napkin rings, and I have an extra DIY that I'm going to be doing because this particular napkin ring set totals $7, so I have about 13 more bucks to work with. So I'm going to show you guys how I've created this simple cross napkin ring using a Totally Dazzled cross brooch and a Dollar Tree napkin ring. So basically the Dollar Tree napkin rings come, I think it's like 8 in a pack, and I had 1 pack. And the cross brooches actually cost $2.50 each, and I actually have 4 of those. I think they're so cute. You can use these for Easter, spring. You can use these pretty much all year round if you like. I mean, I know I will be. So basically for this one, I use hot glue, the hot glue gun, the Dollar Tree napkin rings, and the brooches from Totally Dazzled. Now for this one, you have to pull the actual pins from the back of the brooches, which is pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do that. So you just play around and maneuver around with the pin and it'll slide right out. Just that easy. So, and I also just took my glue and I just put it to the back of the cross. Then after that, I just positioned the Dollar Tree napkin ring on the back of the cross, and that's it. I have my cross glam napkin ring. So I'm all done with all the DIYs, and I think both came out super cute for under 20 bucks. Now I want to give a big shout out to Sharon for hosting the collab and allowing me to co-host with her, and thank each and every one of you for taking part in the collaboration. And this is the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.